Hello guys, Halfmith here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this series I'm going to show you how to use C# for your Unity game development. When I started game development, I had a background in computer science and I had some experience with coding as well. The problem was that when I actually started doing game development, the programming in game development is a bit different from programming in general, creating enterprise application and all that stuff. We'll be going step by step and I'll show you the Unity environment and how we are going to write our very first C# script. In front of me, I have opened a brand new Unity 2D project. So you will see this screen. On the left side, this is the hierarchy, which includes your scene and all the game objects within your scene. So right now, by default, you just have your camera. When I click on camera, on the rightmost side, you'll see the inspector. It will show you the properties of the current game object you are selecting. At the bottom, you will have your project folders. It also has two more tabs. So right now in project, you can see that I have a scenes folder, and this is the sample scene which we are currently viewing. We also have a console, and then we have the game, which we can, when we run our game, we see the output over here. Now we are going to create a simple game object and attach a script to it, and let's print a hello message to the Unity console. So the way you can add object to Unity is in the hierarchy. You can see that there is a plus sign over here, and the first option is create empty. You can do this or right click on hierarchy, create empty. Both yield the same result. So when you click on the game object in the inspector, you can see that where it is placed. So this is the position of your game object. You don't see anything because there is no image or anything attached to it. We just have the position. If you want to move this around, you can see that above hierarchy we have different tools for selections and performing other operations. We have the hand tool, we have the move tool, which is currently selected. You can rotate, scale, rect, and there are other options as well. Now let's create a script. So there's two ways you can create a script. You can click on the game object in the inspector, add a component, and your script will have a name. So let's call our script test. So when I type test, you will see that there is a new script. We don't have any script right now, so you can go here and click here, and then it will ask you for the name and it will create a script. Let's create this. So by default, Unity is set with Visual Studio Code, which is the lightweight editor by Microsoft. I have configured Visual Studio, which is the heavy software by Microsoft. They both do the same result. If you want to change it, you can click on edit, preferences, external tools, and in external tools the first option is external script editor. Over here you can see Visual Studio Code. For you it might be Visual Studio. So since we have created a script over here, you can see that in our project folder we now have a test script, and you can also see what's going on right now over here. So if I double click, so this is our test script and it doesn't do anything. There's no instruction. There are some keywords. We will go through the keywords later on, but for now keep in mind that you can remove the update function, and then you have the start method over here. So start method executes once when the game object is initialized. So right now our project is not running. When we run our project, all objects in the hierarchy get initialized, and when the objects get initialized, all the components within that game object, in this example our test script, will run. So this method runs only once at the start. So if you want to print something in console, the method for that is inside your start method, type debug.log, and since we are printing a string hello, it should be in double quotes. Save this, go back to Unity, save your scene. Over here you can see that you have option play, pause. Click on play. Now this is the game which is empty because there is nothing going on. If you go to console, you can see hello, and that's how we have successfully printed our first hello message. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, drop a comment below.